Science!
And a 1, 2.
Woo! Science! Hey kids, nope. Hey kids, Professor Marbles here. Happy Halloween. We're gonna do some spooky experiments tonight with some elephant's toothpaste. Mwahaha! To the lab! Alright guys, here's the main event. We're going to do our elephant's toothpaste experiment. We've got everything already set up. We've got our bottles with dish soap, our food coloring, just so you can see what happens, and our premixed solution of yeast and water. We're going to add the catalyst, the hydrogen peroxide. Alrighty, it's time for the stuff. This one's kind of soupy. I guess it's supposed to be. Alrighty, cool. Are we ready? Here we go. And a 3, 2.
You don't scare me!
Well, it's growing. It's growing. It's growing slow. Oh, it's getting to the top. Oh, it looks so cool. All right, well, that one took off. This one, a lot of the yeast stuck to the bottom of the cup, but we get the main objective. If anything, slow and steady wins the race. Those are super cool. Oh, it looks so cool with the little light stuck under it too.
How neat is that?
All right, cool. Let's do it again. All right, we're gonna try it again. We got 2 different colors and we pre-mixed some of the ingredients a little bit better, so we should get a bigger reaction. Let's get spooky. Oh, that one's even higher. Wow, spooky.
I'm scared, Dad.
They're cooking. Oh, the purple one looks so cool. Look at him go. Look at him go. Oh, it looks so gross. So gross and so cool. You're lucky you can't smell this, because it's not great.
Do you smell it? That smell. The kind of smelly smell. The smelly smell that smells.
But boy, does it look cool. These other 2 also are like still going. I don't know if you can see those. That's so cool.
Pretty neat.
And it's got like a little swirly going on over here. God, I love science. Science. Science so hard right now. I'll give it a little squeeze to get it moving along. That's so cool.
How neat is that?
Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you always remember to...
Oh, you almost had it.
Thanks for watching. I hope you remember to always look for the science around you, and I'll see you at the next video. Stay spooky.